dear students, today we are going to learn about the electron affinity. Electron affinity, it is also said to be electron gain enthalpy or affinity energy. See, now if I want to see the word electron affinity, so you know what is the meaning of the word electron? You all aware of the electron, but if with the electron the word affinity is there, do you know what is the meaning of the word affinity? In general language, in day-to-day language, the word affinity means love. You know, in Hindi we are telling बंधुता. बंधु जो हमारा बंधु रहता है, जो हमारा मित्र रहता है, जिसके प्रति हमको अट्रैक्शन रहता है, right? Love. So if we mix these two words, electron and affinity, so what does it mean? Electron affinity means love of electron, right? Love of electron. It means what? An atom when it is having love with the electron, that is said to be the electron affinity. If in the very simple language I want to define, I am not going very technical. Clear? एक एटम है, उसे इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए, तो जो एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड रहेगी उसको हमने कहा उस एटम की इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, है ना. सिंपल इस लैंग्वेज में हम इसको ऐसे डिफाइन करते हैं, हम टेक्निकल नहीं जा रहे हैं अभी. क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी? इफ इन द टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज आई वांट टू डिफाइन, it is the amount of energy required by an atom to aid an electron. Clear? Or you can say that it is the amount of energy released or absorbed. Clear? Whenever I am using the word electron gain enthalpy, see here the word enthalpy comes. Enthalpy is nothing. Enthalpy is related with the energy. Means it is an isolated gaseous atom, beta. It is a neutral atom. What is isolated gaseous atom? When the atom is neutral, when the number of protons are equal to number of electrons. And this atom, what it want? It want the electron to aid in it. So, okay. So the energy which is released by this atom, right? When this electron added to this, the amount of energy released when an electron is added in an isolated gaseous atom, it is termed as electron affinity. So you got the technical definition of electron affinity. What is electron affinity? It is the amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom. Now, when an electron added to an atom, right? Previously in ionization energy, what we learned, that electron lose by an atom. And when electron lose at that time, what it will form? It form an cation. So now vice versa of that, it is just opposite of the ionization energy, right? है ना. आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी में हमने क्या देखा था बेटा? इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज कर रहा है, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी में क्या है? इलेक्ट्रॉन को एटम गेन कर रहा है, इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम में आके जुड़ रहा है. वहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहर निकल रहा था एटम से, राइट, इन द सिंपल लैंग्वेज. और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम से आके जुड़ रहा है. क्लियर? नाउ if this electron added to this atom, now the number of electron becomes more than number of proton. Number of electron becomes more as compared to number of proton. It means what, beta? The negative charge is more as compared to positive charge. Getting my point? So when an electron added to an atom, what will it form? It form an negatively charged ion. And this negatively charged ion we termed as anion. What we termed this negatively charged ion? We termed this negatively charged ion as an anion, right? So when an atom gains electron, it will form an anion. What you have to remember? Now what is electron affinity? That the amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom, and it will form a negatively charged ion, which we termed as anion. Got my point? Now, because here we are talking about the energy, that is, it is said to be affinity energy also. Why it is said to be affinity energy? As I told you, the word affinity means love, the love of an atom towards the electron, towards the gain of the electron, right? That is why this energy is also said to be the affinity energy. Again, I use the word electron gain enthalpy. Electron means our electron, gain means gaining by the atom, and enthalpy. Enthalpy again, what does it mean? It's the energy. So the energy released or absorbed. Whenever we are talking about enthalpy, so we use the word released or absorbed. Now why release and why absorbed, and when released, when absorbed, that we will see later on. But you got? So it can also be defined as the amount of energy released or absorbed when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom. So in the very simple language, what you have to remember, what is electron affinity, what is affinity energy, or what is electron gain enthalpy. It is the amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom. Okay? Is it clear to you?